I want to take this opportunity to condemn the contemptuous act by the National Assembly to blatantly, intentionally, and deliberately disobey court orders without any legal justification. The suspension given to Antony Kibagendi by the Speaker of the National Assembly is null and void, just simply because Antony Kibagendi uttered words which to the Speaker he thought that were not words that should be uttered in public. And I want to say that Kibagendi had a right to speech, a right to speak, because we know that freedom of speech is the oxygen of democracy. He spoke outside Parliament, and therefore whatever he said is not binding inside Parliament or within the precincts of Parliament. The Speaker and members of the National Assembly, some members of the National Assembly, have acted very unprofessionally. It is unprofessional, both unprofessional conduct and a professional misconduct on the side of the Speaker and some members of the National Assembly to disobey court orders whose terms were very clear and ambiguous and binding. And until now, those terms are very binding. We will, therefore, as members of Linda Mwananchi, proceed and file a judicial review application under certificate of urgency at the High Court of Kenya and seek for 2 extraordinary common law remedies which shall ensure administrative accountability and legality, which shall seek for an order of mandamus to compel the Speaker to obey court orders. We shall also seek for an order of certiorari to quash or annul the decision to suspend or further suspend Honorable Kibagendi for 14 days. And we want the court to assert its authority and dignity and punish the contemnors to ensure that they are punished. Speaker is an officer of the court and he knows better that he should not be in contempt of the court decisions. Court decisions are not just mere suggestions, and therefore that order must be obeyed.